Ram Ram, Jai Hind everybody.
We the student of Mahatma Gandhi Government School Daryabad are here to have your look to our school. We shall show you the view of our beautiful school campus. So please be with us and don't skip the video. You will see what do we have in it. So let's go.
Here you can see what a innovation is done. School name is written here and it is made from bricks and it's look very beautiful. One more thing, you look at the plants with their scientific nameplates. It is croton. There is also plants. It is more punky and it's look very beautiful. And there is name also. Let's go now. Let's go.
This is the temple of Ma Saraswati. Because of her blessing, we are here. Our salutation to her. Let's go to our principal chamber.
Ma'am, actually we are shooting a video of our school, so can we shoot the video of principal chamber?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you, ma'am. So this is the scenery of Jakham Dam as well as the Sita Mata Wildlife Sanctuary, and this is a flying squirrel. So this is the identity of Pratapgarh district.
You can see this is the photographs of great personalities. We have electric bell. Pure doesn't need to ring the bell. It rings automatically as per the timetable. One more thing I will show you. This is Ma Saraswati's idol. It's gifted by Mehta Ma'am. It's look very beautiful.
Let's walk around to our garden. Beautiful garden, and here we also have many varieties of plants, like this is Benjamin of ficus, and this is croton, and that is bottle palm. And let's go to our beautiful statue. This is the beautiful statue of Mahatma Gandhi ji, which is donated by Bhamashah Rajmalji Taylor from Daryabad, and this is made by the artisans of Talwada. School family thanks to Rajmalji sir.
Let's come ahead, we will show you something more. This is Maharana Pratap Auditorium. This auditorium is for meeting and for other activities. We feel proud that this auditorium is on the name of great Maharana Pratap. I want to speak some lines on Maharana Pratap. महाराणा प्रताप के शौर्य को शत शत वंदन है। धन्य है राजस्थान जिसकी माटी भी चंदन है, जो मातृभूमि की स्वतंत्रता के लिए हर कष्ट सहन करते हैं। रण में जो कभी हारे नहीं, उन्हें महाराणा प्रताप कहते हैं, उन्हें महाराणा प्रताप कहते हैं।
Wow, very nice line. He is the real hero. We must respect Maharana Pratap.
Yes, let's go ahead. This is CWSM resource room. Here we have many equipment, and this is for disabled students. And behind this we have tour and travel classroom. It is for the students of class 9 to 12. It develops the skills to create own business, and it is also called vocational.
From here we will go to digital classroom. It is our digital classroom. Here we get chance to operate computer and we watch online class also. Here. This is our digital board. Our computer teacher Yogesh Jadhav sir made a specific application for MGGS students. From this application we get many things from this application. This application name is MGGS DWD.
And recently a science capsule book is published by Vijay Reddy Taylor sir for class 10 students, and this year he also got top level teacher award. We are grateful to all
Now let's come ahead.
Now we will go to class 10th and see what is going on.
What whiteness is that the animals and the males, they have a different behavior. Mr. Whiteman says that the behavior of humans are quite difficult. They never want to live like humans. They think that the animals' life is more peaceful. They think that the life of animals are more pleasant comparing with humans. That's why he says that he want to turn into another life. He want to turn a different life. He want to turn a new life. Why he said? He said because he is comparing with two different type of creatures.
It is our beauty and wellness class. You can see this is our beauty and wellness class. It is also for the students of class 9 to 12.
Students learn many things from here. We can make our career in makeup artists and many other fields. You will see this is our instrument. This is massage pad. This is shampoo station. This is manicure pedicure chair, and this is makeup chair. And this is facial bed. Let's go outside. At last we want to say something. It is our good fortune that we all became the part of Mahatma Gandhi Government School started by Government of Rajasthan. We all are devoted to the school family from the bottom of our hearts.
This school has given us the courage to speak in English, and gradually we are improving and trying our best in all fields.
We also salute the principal Madam Alka Vaishnav and all teachers who are ball of fire and always inspire us to participate in all competition along with studies. All teachers support us always.
Thank you for being with us.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.